welcome back to the channel. Hola Opulence. Thank you so much for joining me as usual in the Opulence Cave. I've been waiting a while for this, man, because I absolutely love this fashion house, boutique, whatever you want to call them. This is the Jordan 4 Manieres. But before we get straight into this wonderful unboxing I've got for you guys, if you're new to the channel, make sure you slam that subscribe button. Make sure you like the video and comment in the section below. Without further ado, let's get straight in. Okay, so you can see it comes in a black box, but on the black box, it's got a Jumpman. It's kind of blacked out as well. So I'm going to bring it a little closer so you guys can see what that looks like. You can see it right there. It's kind of faded in, but the Jumpman is right there. And it's got Maniere written on it as well. So the sizing right there is a size 10. That is my size. You already know your boy wears a 10. And on the box all over, they have the Maniere logo right all over it right there on the bottom of the box right there. And the lid has some sort of like a leather, calf leather texture right there. I mean, you already know when it comes to Maniere and packaging and things like that, they have top-notch quality packaging. They do not take prisoners, you know. So that's one of the things that I really love about them. The box is very, very nice. It's got the Jumpman on the back right there. All right, so let's dive straight into it. I'm gonna lift the the lid right there. It's got this art right there. Nice. That is beautiful. Like they're always coming correct anytime. Like, you know, like it's just awesome, man. You can see the painting right there on the lid, man. It's absolutely beautiful. When you open it, you can see the tissue paper. It's got the Maniere tissue paper right there printed on the paper as well. It's really, really nice and textured right there. And when you lift it up, you can see the shoes are wrapped up nicely right there. So I'm gonna take it out so I can unwrap it for you guys and so you can see what it looks like. All right, guys, are you ready? 1, 2, 3, bam! You see that? That is the Jordan 4 Maniere Dark Mochas. Oh my goodness. That is absolutely beautiful. Look at that. Goodness me. That's beautiful. Look at that. Absolutely amazing. So let me take out the other foot and then we can talk about the materials and the sizing and things, all the good stuff. So the other foot as well is wrapped. You can see it right there. I'm going to take that wrapping off. Wow. This is a beautiful material, man. Oh my goodness. Okay, guys. I don't know what to say, man. Like, I am definitely caught unawares. Like, I mean, not really, but I am, if that makes sense. Because you already know when it comes to Maniere, like they already like they always bring out quality stuff. Like anytime they're gonna do anything, it's always quality, nothing but quality. So it's got the hang tag right there in like a washed orange. You can see it right there. That says Nike Air on it. So so on the bottom, wow, it's got like a burgundy brownish bottom right there at the heel right there. You see that's that burgundy or brown you want to call it. I'm a little colorblind right now. And there is this grayish, brownish, purplish. I don't even know what color to call that as well. like around the middle of the foot right there on the underneath, and then he's got the Nike Air in black right there. Um, on the front, the stars, as you can see, it's in that brown Amama ears color right there. It's really, really nice, looking good. But man, this material though. But we'll come to that. Okay, so on the midsole, you can see it's got that grayish. Um, I don't know. It looks kind of like a grayish purple to me. Yeah, and and a white at the midsole on the back where the air bubble is right there. You can see that, and on the inside. So like this cream right here, it's not like a true cream. It's like a pinkish cream, and it also has a shoelace as well that comes with it in that same color, pinkish uh cream color right there. That's what that looks like. I might change the lace. I might not. I might not. It just depends on how I'm feeling and what I want to do. But I don't know yet. I'm not sure if I want to change it or not. But I'll put that to the side for a second, and we'll continue on the material on the shoes. So on the midsole, on top of the midsole, there's a little pod here. It's like a lightish grayish brown right there on top, and then going to the back midsole right here, it has the same brown grayish brown right there as well. And then on that bottom, he has this wash kind of pink, which looks like from far it kind of looks like a cream, but it's not like a cream, you know. And then on the upper, you have your brown nubuck right there. It is in a brown dark mocha, I want to call that, which is obviously from the name. You can see on the upper right there, the inner toe box and the outer toe box, the mud guard is all that brown, dark mocha going all around it. And if you see on the, if you look on the nettings right there, it has that Maniere logo behind the net. It is very small, it's very subtle, but it is there. And on the side netting as well, it is there as well, right there. So the net is black. The shoelace is kind of like a black wax lace. It's kind of thin. It's not your average Jordan 4 shoelace. It's nice. It's a little slim, but the one that comes with it, the other one, I don't know if it's the same. Let me see. Yeah, it kind of looks like the same kind of style, but I mean, I'm not mad at it. If you can see the waffle lid right there has that lightish uh, purple, burgundy. I don't know what you want to call that color right there as well for the top waffle lace and the bottom waffle lace right there. You can see it both. And the wings is a light brown. Is it a light brown or like a medium kind of brown on the wings that's holding the top waffle eyelids right there. On the tongue right there, it has the Jordan Jumpman right there in brown, and on at the bottom you can see is that kind of lightish washed pink on the bottom that says flight. And then if you go to the back, you have that all important Nike Air right there in that lightish pink as well, which I really, really like. It's a different take to what they've normally done. If you look at the OG Jordan 4, the back is all black. It's kind of blacked out, but it has the Nike right there, but it's blacked out as well. So the inside is the sock liner is a black stock liner, but it's kind of quilted, which is really nice. Amama is always known for doing that. They always do that in most of all their shoes. Um, it's a really, really nice shoe. I'm not gonna lie to you. For me, I'm gonna choose this one over the OG Jordan 4. I know it's a crazy statement because a lot of people love that Jordan 4 um, OG, the first one that came out. I think I want to say it came out in 2002. I want to say I think so. Yeah. So for me, I'm definitely going to be going with this one over that. That I still want to add it to my collection, but I have seen it. Some of my friends they own it. It's not bad, but I still feel for me this one is much better. That's just my opinion, you know. On the tongue, on the inside of the tongue, it's a burgundy color, and it's got the Maniere written upside down right there. Okay, so on the other foot it's different. You know, they always do this. They put the logo instead of the Jumpman on the right foot. Oh, sorry, on the left foot, and you can see it's got the flight right there in that pinkish light pink or washed pink or whatever you want to call it as well. For me, it's definitely a nice take. It's got that black black tab right there as well. The waffle tab on the back is black. This is the sock liner. It has the Amamaya logo on there. It's all black. And yeah, the other side right there. It's something that I feel like you can get a lot of wear out of because it's a darker color as well. I do have the second one as well. It's right behind me there somewhere. Yeah, it's over there right there. So but overall I think this is gonna definitely be my favorite color. So guys, that's all I got for you today. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you hit that like button and comment in the section below. Let me know if you're going to be trying to add this to your collection. If you don't like it, if you like it, just comment in the section below. Let your boy know what's going on. And until the next one, all our opulence out.